You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this expression, this onomatopoeia, is it? If you want to learn more vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. This is the name of a song as well. How do you say it? Ooh. You can say it different ways. There are different pronunciations indeed. Ooh or ooh. You could say ooh, ooh la la, we would say in French. How to pronounce ooh. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.